Over 60 superfoods that naturally combat age-related muscle loss. Picture waking up each day feeling refreshed, stronger, and ready to take on whatever lies ahead. No stiffness, no fatigue, and most importantly, no fear of losing muscle as you grow older. It might sound like a dream, but with the right nutrition, this can become your reality. No extreme diets or intense routines required. Today, we're diving into how a few smart dietary tweaks can help you slow down muscle deterioration and regain your physical strength naturally. We'll highlight 7 nutrient-dense superfoods that not only help combat sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass that comes with aging, but also promote lasting energy and vitality. If you've felt your strength fading over the years, or you're simply looking for sustainable ways to stay fit and energized through your later decades, this guide is for you. 1. Chicken breast. Lean, packed with protein, and easy to prepare chicken breast is a go-to staple for anyone looking to maintain or build muscle later in life. A 3-ounce serving of skinless, boneless chicken breast delivers approximately 26 grams of high-quality protein, essential for repairing and growing muscle fibers. Why is chicken such a powerful ally in preserving muscle mass? First, it offers a great balance. High protein, low fat, ideal for seniors who want to increase lean muscle without extra calories. But there's more. Chicken breast is also rich in B-complex vitamins, which help convert food into usable energy, a must-have for staying active throughout the day. And don't overlook selenium, a mineral found in chicken that supports both immune strength and muscle efficiency. Incorporating chicken breast into your weekly meals couldn't be easier. Bake it, grill it, stir-fry it. Each method offers a new taste and texture. Toss it into salads, use it in wraps, or serve it alongside roasted vegetables. It's quick to cook, satisfying, and helps keep your body fueled and strong no matter the time of day. Make it a regular part of your menu, and your muscles will thank you. 2. Almonds. Next up are almonds, small in size, but mighty in nutrition. These crunchy nuts are more than just a satisfying snack. They're a rich source of plant-based protein and heart-healthy fats, both of which are essential for maintaining muscle and overall well-being as we age. Almonds may be small, but when it comes to muscle support, they pack a serious punch. Just 1 ounce delivers around 6 grams of protein, an essential nutrient your body relies on to rebuild and strengthen muscle fibers after physical effort. This becomes especially important as we age, since muscles recover more slowly and need more help to stay strong and resilient. But the benefits of almonds go far beyond protein. These little gems are also an excellent source of magnesium, a mineral your muscles depend on to function smoothly. As we grow older, cramps and stiffness can creep in more frequently, but magnesium helps ease these issues by supporting proper muscle contraction and relaxation. Adding almonds to your routine couldn't be easier. Whether you grab a handful for a quick snack between meals, toss them into a salad for extra crunch, or blend them into a smoothie for a nutritious boost, they're as flexible as they are nourishing. You can even stir them into yogurt for added texture and flavor. What makes almonds such a great choice for older adults is their portability and nutrient density. They're easy to keep on hand whether you're heading out for the day or relaxing at home, and they make supporting your muscle health simple and satisfying. Build them into your weekly habits, and your muscles will reap the rewards. 3. Spinach. Next on our list is a leafy green that deserves more credit than it often gets. Spinach. You might associate it with cartoons or childhood dinners, but don't let that fool you. Spinach is a nutrient-rich powerhouse that plays a vital role in preserving muscle and bone health, especially as we age. One of the key reasons spinach stands out is its impressive vitamin K content. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach gives you well over your daily recommended intake, and that's great news for your bones. Vitamin K helps keep them dense and durable, which is critical for staying active and avoiding fractures in later years. Spinach is also a reliable source of magnesium, which supports both muscle function and energy production. Low magnesium levels can leave your muscles feeling weak or fatigued, but a regular dose from leafy greens like spinach can help restore that strength and endurance. And let's not forget about antioxidants. Spinach is loaded with compounds that defend your muscle cells from oxidative stress, the wear and tear caused by both aging and physical exertion. These antioxidants help your muscles stay healthy, responsive, and ready for daily movement or exercise. So, how can you add more spinach to your daily meals? The options are nearly limitless. Toss a handful into your morning smoothie for an instant nutrient upgrade, or use it as the base for a salad packed with vitamins. It blends seamlessly into soups and stir-fries, and you can even stir it into pasta sauces or grain bowls for an extra health boost. Spinach is not only budget-friendly and widely available, but it's also one of the easiest greens to work into any meal. Whether you enjoy it raw or cooked, spinach delivers the muscle-supporting nutrients your body needs without much effort. Add it to your routine regularly, and your muscles will reap the benefits. 4. Eggs. Eggs have earned the nickname nature's perfect protein, and it's easy to see why, especially for older adults aiming to maintain strength and muscle mass. Each large egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of complete protein, meaning it includes all 9 essential amino acids that are vital for repairing and maintaining muscle tissue. For seniors, this is particularly important. As we age, preserving muscle becomes more difficult, and that's where eggs shine. But their benefits don't stop at protein. Eggs are also rich in vitamin D, a key nutrient that helps the body absorb calcium and supports both bone strength and muscle function. This is crucial for staying mobile, balanced, and injury-free. Eggs also bring a healthy dose of vitamin B12, which plays an important role in keeping your energy levels steady. As energy naturally dips with age, B12 helps keep your body and muscles powered throughout the day. Plus, they contain selenium, which enhances immune health and supports muscular performance. And then there's choline, an often overlooked nutrient that's essential for muscle coordination and proper nerve function. Choline ensures that your muscles and nerves communicate effectively, making movement feel smoother and more controlled, whether you're walking around the house or doing more vigorous activity. The best part? Eggs are incredibly flexible. You can enjoy them scrambled, hard-boiled, poached, or folded into a hearty omelet. They're perfect for breakfast, but also work well in salads, wraps, or even blended into a protein smoothie. They're affordable, easy to prepare, and offer a powerful nutritional punch that supports strength and well-being as you age. So, the next time you're in need of a simple and budget-friendly way to support your strength, crack open an egg. It's one of the easiest and most nutritious choices you can make. 5. Salmon. When it comes to foods that actively support muscle repair and recovery, salmon is in a league of its own. This flavorful, protein-rich fish isn't just a great dinner option, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that promote muscle health, particularly for those over 60. One of salmon's standout benefits is its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats your body can't produce on its own. These fats help reduce inflammation in the muscles, which is especially important after physical activity. Whether you're taking daily walks, doing gentle stretches, or engaging in resistance exercises, omega-3s helps soothe soreness and speed up muscle recovery, so you can stay consistent with your movement. But the benefits don't stop there. A single 3-ounce serving of salmon delivers roughly 22 grams of complete protein, containing all the essential amino acids needed for muscle growth and repair. As we grow older, this type of quality protein becomes essential for preserving lean mass and avoiding the slow decline that often comes with age. Salmon also offers generous amounts of vitamin B12, which plays a crucial role in keeping your nerves and muscles working together efficiently. As coordination becomes more challenging with age, B12 helps you stay balanced and steady on your feet. And don't overlook its vitamin D content, which strengthens both muscles and bones, a vital combination for long-term mobility and independence. The good news is that salmon is incredibly adaptable in the kitchen. You can grill it, roast it, pan-sear it, or bake it. Each method brings out a rich, satisfying flavor. Combine it with some colorful vegetables or a side of whole grains like quinoa, and you've got a wholesome, muscle-nourishing meal. If you're aiming to stay active and energized, adding salmon to your diet is one of the most effective and delicious steps you can take. It's a feel-good food that fuels your body from the inside out. 6. Greek yogurt. If you're looking for a creamy, protein-rich snack that fits easily into your daily routine, Greek yogurt is a top contender. Unlike regular yogurt, the straining process removes excess liquid, leaving behind a thicker, more concentrated product and significantly more protein. In fact, just one serving can deliver up to 20 grams of protein, which is a huge plus when your goal is to maintain or rebuild muscle as you age. That's a lot of muscle-supporting nutrition packed into a small bowl. Protein is a cornerstone of muscle repair and strength and becomes even more critical as our natural muscle mass begins to decline with age. But Greek yogurt offers more than just protein. It's also a great source of calcium, which plays a vital role in bone health and helps muscles contract effectively. As we get older, maintaining bone strength and muscle coordination becomes more of a challenge, making calcium an essential part of daily nutrition. One of the best things about Greek yogurt is how effortlessly it fits into your diet. Enjoy it plain, top it with fresh berries or a drizzle of honey for a naturally sweet snack, or blend it into smoothies for a creamy, protein-rich treat. You can even spoon it over tacos or chili for a tangy, nutrient-packed addition to savory meals. And there's another bonus: probiotics. Greek yogurt is full of these beneficial bacteria that support gut health, aid digestion, and help you feel your best from the inside out. Whether you're snacking on it or incorporating it into meals, Greek yogurt is an easy, delicious way to support muscle strength, digestion, and overall wellness as you age. 7. Quinoa. Don't let its tiny size fool you. Quinoa is one of the most complete and beneficial grains you can add to your plate. Often referred to as a super grain, it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a rare plant-based source of complete protein. Why does that matter? As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, which can increase the risk of weakness and injury. Quinoa helps slow that process by providing high-quality protein that supports muscle maintenance and repair, all in a wholesome plant-based form. But the benefits don't stop there. Quinoa is high in fiber, which keeps you feeling satisfied longer and helps regulate digestion, a major plus if you're trying to manage your weight while fueling your body effectively. It's also loaded with key nutrients like iron, magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins, all of which play a role in energy production and keeping your muscles functioning optimally. Another advantage? Quinoa has a low glycemic index, which means it won't spike your blood sugar and cause crashes later. Instead, it gives you a steady, reliable source of energy to power through your day with confidence. In terms of preparation, quinoa is as flexible as it is nourishing. Mix it into salads, use it as a base for grain bowls, stir it into soups, or enjoy it as a warm breakfast porridge with nuts and fruit. It's simple to cook, easy to enjoy, and an ideal addition to any diet focused on staying strong and active. One of the best things about quinoa is how easily it fits into your meal prep routine. It's a practical, no-fuss way to support your muscles and overall vitality. If you're over 60 and aiming to rebuild strength naturally, quinoa deserves a regular spot on your plate. It's a nourishing, energizing superfood that helps you stay strong and prepared for whatever the day may bring. By incorporating these 7 nutrient-rich foods into your daily meals, you're doing more than just fueling your body. You're actively supporting muscle maintenance, boosting energy, and laying the foundation for long-term health. The key lies in the small, consistent steps you take each day. Whether it's adding spinach to your lunch, snacking on almonds, or whipping up a Greek yogurt smoothie, these choices add up and help you push back against age-related muscle loss. You don't need to overhaul your life to start feeling stronger. It's all about simple, sustainable adjustments that deliver real results. You deserve to feel confident, active, and full of vitality as you age, and these superfoods can help you get there. If this video offered you some helpful insights, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay connected. We've got plenty more tips on living your healthiest life ahead. And if you're ready to learn more ways to support your muscle health, take a look at our other videos. We're in this together, building strength and wellness one small step at a time. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps us grow. Subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a new video. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below and share your journey. Thanks for watching. See you soon.